Hello and welcome back to the Loss of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I am Brian Fagan, and today we are going to be discussing a difficult and deeply personal situation. What do you do if you don't want to stay married but you're afraid to get a divorce in Texas? Making this decision to divorce is never easy, and fear often plays a significant role in delaying the decision. Whether it's fear of the unknown, fear of financial instability, or fear of the emotional toll, these concerns are valid and deserve to be addressed. Today we'll discuss these fears and how Texas law can help you to navigate them. First, let's acknowledge the common fears many people face when considering divorce. Fear of financial uncertainty. Divorce can significantly impact your financial situation. You may worry about how you'll support yourself or whether you'll have to pay or receive spousal support. Fear of the unknown. Divorce is a major life change, and uncertainty of what comes next can be terrifying. Fear for your children. If you have kids, their well-being is often your top concern. You might worry about how divorce will affect them emotionally and whether you will be able to maintain a strong relationship with them. Fear of being alone. The prospect of being alone after years of marriage can be daunting. Fear of conflict. Many people fear conflict that often accompanies divorce, especially if the relationship has already been tense. Texas law provides several mechanisms to help mitigate these fears. Let's look at how the legal system can support you. Financial security. Texas is a community property state, meaning that the assets and debts acquired during the marriage are typically divided equally. If you are concerned about financial stability, know that the court can order spousal support if you need financial assistance to maintain a similar standard of living post-divorce. Protecting your children. Texas courts prioritize the best interests of the child when making custody decisions. This means that both parents are encouraged to remain actively involved in their child's lives. Parenting plans and visitation schedules are designed to ensure that the children have meaningful relationships with both parents. Legal guidance. Having an experienced family law attorney can provide you with the guidance and support you need throughout the divorce process. They can help you to understand your rights, prepare you for what to expect, and negotiate on your behalf to ensure a fair outcome. Counseling and mediation. Texas courts often encourage or require mediation as a way to resolve disputes amicably. This process helps to reduce conflict, anxiety by allowing both parties to reach agreements in a controlled environment. Additionally, many people find that counseling, either individually or as a couple, can help them to cope with emotional aspects of divorce. Let's consider a real-life scenario to put this into context. Imagine a woman named Lisa who's been married for about 15 years. She feels trapped in an unhappy marriage but is terrified of getting divorced. Lisa is a stay-at-home mother with 2 young children, and she hasn't worked outside of the home for over a decade. She worries about how she'll support herself and her kids, and she fears losing custody. Lisa's attorney explains that Texas law is designed to ensure a fair division of assets and that she may be entitled to spousal support. The attorney also reassures Lisa that the court will prioritize the well-being of her children, meaning that she will likely share custody with her husband and continue to play a major role in their lives. With her attorney's support, Lisa files for divorce. The process isn't easy, but mediation helps Lisa and her husband to reach an agreement on property division and custody without going to trial. In the end, Lisa finds that the fear of divorce was more overwhelming than the divorce itself. She is now able to build a new life for herself and her children, free from unhappiness that plagued her marriage. If your situation is like Lisa's, it is important to know that you're not alone, and there are resources available to help you through this challenging time. The first step often is the hardest, but with the right support and information, you can overcome your fear and take control of your future. A family law attorney can provide you with guidance you need to understand your options and to make informed decisions. Remember, the law is there to protect you and to ensure that divorce is as fair and smooth as possible. In conclusion, if you don't want to stay married, but you are afraid to get divorced in Texas, it is crucial to understand that these fears are natural, but they don't have to control your life. With the support of a legal professional and the protections provided by Texas law, you can navigate this difficult time and emerge on the other side with competence. Thank you for watching today's video on the Law of Brian Pagan's YouTube channel. And if you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insights on Texas common law, and until next time, take care and stay informed. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.